Thank you for visiting the Coin Lady channel again. The current pricing of XRP is a constant source of frustration for many individuals. Nevertheless, a share repurchase of significant size and a turbocharged XRPL are on the horizon. If you happen to be in possession of XRP, I highly recommend watching this video, subscribing for more, and enabling notifications. Having said that, let's go into the market as a whole and see what's happening. $1.6 trillion, up roughly 6% over the market, and $42,000 on Bitcoin holdings little above $42,000. Take note that Mark XRP is down about 54% on Dare.9. Regardless of whether the price of XRP is going up or down, I believe that lower volumes usually lead to a decline in price, even though the volume is still only around 700 million. Keep in mind that we've been open around the $1 billion mark, so that's a good indication of where we are. We will examine all the technical details in a moment, but typically we see buyers. However, the subject matter of this video is unclear. First and foremost, I want to strengthen your financial position, but there are a few other important things I want to share with you. Can you explain that? In the end, we received this report from Zed and this announcement from XRP. In the end, crypto says that the source is knowledgeable about financial status and has strengthened liquidity for investors. With a total investment of $285 million, Ripple Labs has launched a massive share repurchase program. According to Reuters' Wednesday report, Ripple's worth soared to a whopping $11.3 billion because to the tender offer. Keep in mind that this is a component of the IPO that we were anticipating but has not materialized. Their plans to go public are unknown to us. They are, nonetheless, attempting, in the end, to maintain that reputation and liquidity level. Furthermore, your sources have revealed that the repurchase plan permits early investors and workers to sell a maximum of 6% of their interest in the privately owned company. This is something that I believe is critically essential. Ripple Labs has confirmed in a letter to writers that the tender offer is genuine and has committed to spending $500 million on a comprehensive buyback campaign. Coins have grown in value, despite the challenges posed by the SEC setback. Although there were some challenges, the majority of our customers are non-US financial institutions. We are already aware of our partnership with HSBC in Mexico, as well as some projects in Dubai and Saudi Arabia. Most importantly, we are aware of the work happening in Hong Kong. The SEC is just a small part of what is happening at Ripple and their future plans. Oh, and XRPL, please do not stop discussing it. In my opinion, it will be crucial. We have some suggestions on how the XRP Foundation should be run. True enough, we've witnessed a couple of validators bail on the project. At the end of the day, these symbolic shifts involve splitting the membership into three categories: individual, corporate, and sustaining, each with its own set of rights and responsibilities. Individual membership costs 75 XRP, while sustaining members pay 1 million XRP. The proposal also aims to diversify the foundation's board of directors by including corporate, sustaining, and company community members. Directors would serve 2-year terms, with corporate directors eventually serving 1-year terms. This would be a slight change from XRNPL, and it would likely move the organization closer to a general financial construct or banking system, similar to what XRP are doing. Now that they've positioned themselves, everything seems to be in order, especially when discussing on-chain data. I almost caused an allergic reaction on my live stream last night by drawing attention to the fact that everyone is staring at the XRP price. Thus it's important to maintain partnerships with medical institutions. People aren't paying attention to what's coming from the other direction, which includes collaborations with large liquidity providers and substantial changes to the financial infrastructure. And as I've mentioned previously, XRP is going to be one of those. Wow, that really takes off. Here are some exciting dates to mark in your calendar. On February 12th, don't forget. On March 13th, the remedies briefing will commence. With their April 12th remedy brief, the SEC is unsuccessful. On April 29th, submit the counterproposal. Once the SEC responds, we will be back in court. Those debts should not be disregarded. One other intriguing thing about XRP is that its use has increased in the past 3 years. This is significant. Just so you know, this is a major deal. The number of XRPL wallets has increased by over 170%, surpassing 5 million. Given XRP's stated goals and the increasing number of users on the network, this is crucial for the future of the cryptocurrency and its financial infrastructure. There are a lot of people waiting for some fairly huge news, and the XRPL is going to be a major supporting point for that. We'll be reading that, so if you want to see more, subscribe to the channel. So, what's the current situation with the pricing of XRP? The market as a whole is confused about his intentions, with 42,000 warrants on Bitcoins remaining relatively unchanged and XRP falling by a small amount since the day's beginning. The 200-day exponential moving average is below us, though. Also, the purple line represents the exponential moving average for the past 20 days. Therefore, it would be surprising if we didn't see a little further downward pressure. We may observe that we are merely in this consolidation period if we move to a slightly higher timeframe and examine the 4-hour chart. Now that we're likely to observe this sideways movement within this range, our goal is to retest the 53.6 line during the consolidation phase. Once we do, we'll hold on to this upper range until we encounter the volume price indicators falling. This could happen because these are clearly prime indicators on the chart. By the way, don't forget to check out the link in the description for 30% off. Please join up below and use the secret link in the description to see these if you would want to add them to your technical analysis charts so that you may greatly enhance your trading. Yes, as you can see on the 4-hour chart, this lower 53.6 line is a really strong area, and we would like to retest it. It might be pushed to the 50 by 3 points. As a result, we will observe the outcome. XRP, but keep in mind that you shouldn't limit yourself to what's immediately apparent. Instead, focus on the bigger picture and you'll be pleasantly surprised. As always, let me know what you think in the comments section. Tell me your thoughts on XRP and the rest. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more like it, please subscribe to my channel. Goodbye for now.